Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a pocket square. In this video, I'll be going over the easiest fold that you can do for a pocket square. This is super easy to do and it will only take you just a few moments to actually do this fold. Now let's get right into the video tutorial. What you want to do is you want to start with your pocket square completely open. So as you can see right here, this pocket square is completely open. Then you want to find the center of the pocket square. Now luckily for me, this has already been folded like this and like this. So I already have the lines just like that. So I know that this is the center. Now you don't have to get the exact center, but you definitely want to get close to the center. What you want to do next is you want to grab the center, pinch it, and lift it up. Now when you pinch it and lift it up, you want to just shake it to get everything else to the bottom. Then all that you want to do is grab it like this. So get your hand, move it down, grab it like that. Okay, as you can see, this is actually the fold. This is called the puff fold. And what you can do at this point is you can make it a little bit wider if you want, or not so wide. It's up to you, but you can change it to suit your own needs. And then what you want to do is once you have about this length right here, which looks like it's about, I would say 4 inches, give or take, but you can change this depending on what you want. You just want to get the bottom and just fold it behind like this. And then this is actually your pocket square fold. It's called the puff fold. It's really easy to use. And like I said, you can make it shorter or you can make it even longer, whatever you want. But I would say this is about right. This is basically what it's gonna look like. And that's basically it. Once again, it's a very simple method. You just lay it flat like that, open it up like a square, pinch the center, shake it a bit, bring the rest of the other hand down, and then just get the rest of the pocket square and just sort of fold it up behind, just like that. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the easiest pocket square fold that you can do. It's called the puff fold, and I've shown you a tutorial on exactly how to do it. And the greatest thing about this fold is that it comes out different pretty much every time. So either way, it's going to look awesome, and you can constantly use this fold and it's going to look different pretty much every time. So you know, it won't get old. You can constantly use it and not worry about looking like you have the same fold every time. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.